If you guys don't have the reply option and you don't see the option where you can send a reply to a specific message, here is exactly how you can add that feature to your account. And as you can see here, guys, when I go to my messaging inbox, as you can see here, I'm going to reply to this message. I'm going to press and hold for 1 second, and 3 different options will come up. If you have the reply option, it will say the reply at the very bottom, in the left. It will say the reply. When I click reply, and then you can then reply to that specific message. But let's say that you don't have the reply option, or you can swipe to the right, and you will be able to reply to that message. But if you don't have the reply option, here is exactly how you can add it. I did this on my other accounts and it worked, so that's why I made this video, guys. I want to show you exactly how you can reply to a specific message even if you don't see the reply option. And the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store if you are using Android and search for Instagram. Okay, now after you search for Instagram, guys, you want to just update the app. As you can see, it says here update. You want to click on update and wait a few seconds and the app will be updated. That's all you need to do, guys. So this is the first method. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be showing you a couple of methods that will work 100%. Now after you update, guys, the app, don't open it, don't just open it. What you want to do, guys, wait for it until it's updated. I'm going to give it a few seconds. As you can see here, now it says here open. Now we can open now the app. Now go to your Instagram, as you can see here. After that, guys, you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then click 3 little lines in the top right, and then click on settings in the top. Now if you have here update messaging, you want to click update messaging in the top. I don't have it, but I'm going to be showing you another method which worked for me. Now you want to just click here update messaging and follow the steps, and you will be able to reply to a specific message by press and hold for 1 second, and you will be able to see the reply option. Now let's say that you don't have update messaging here in the top. In the top of follow and invite friends, here you will find here update messaging. Click it and you will be able to update messaging, and then you can reply to a specific message, like I said. Now let's say you don't have that feature. Now what you want to do, guys, try this. Okay, you want to go to your settings and you want to go to general, and then you want to go to language and region. Don't click on iPhone storage, you want to click on language and region. You can do the same steps on Android phone if you are using Android. Now if you are using iPhone, you want to click, guys, on iPhone language in the top, and then change the language to UK English, as you can see here, UK English. Now see if this works. If it doesn't work, guys, what you want to do, guys, you want to go to Instagram and then go to one of your messages and then just take a screenshot like this. Now in case none of the methods that I showed you worked, okay, so like I said, you want to just you want to just change language to UK English. I can't click UK English because the screen recording will stop, so that's I don't want that, because I want to show you guys the steps which will work for you. Now you want to click 3 little lines after you take the screenshot, 3 little lines in the top right, and then you want to click settings in the top. After guys, you want to click on help. Now you want to click on report a problem in the top, and then report a problem without shaking. Now you want to click don't include and continue, and you want to click on upload here. Upload that picture, that screenshot, and say that you don't have the reply option. Now after that, you have to say I don't have the reply option on my account, please fix this, and send it to them. Like click send in the top, and you will be able to hear from them within 24 hours, and then you will fix your problem if the methods that I showed you at the beginning don't work. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.